Hey guys, it's Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a very exciting video. We are going to be creating a full face of makeup using an app on your phone. Yes, you heard that right. We're going to create a full face of makeup using an app. About a year ago, I posted this video, and it was a video of me doing a full face of makeup using an app. I told you guys how I felt like getting ready and posting a picture on Instagram, but I also did not feel like sitting down and doing my makeup because that is a very long process for me. It takes me about an hour and a half to get myself ready, and sometimes I am just not in the mood to go through the whole process. So in that particular video, I came across an app called Perfect365, and I told you guys how the app developers probably had no idea who the heck I was, and I was just generally sitting down for fun. Like, I did that video for fun. Funny enough, the developers of that app actually saw my video and they decided to partner up with me in today's video to bring you guys kind of like a part 2 to that first video that I did. It's so crazy. Literally, sometimes things happen and I'm like, what the heck? Like I said in that video, they don't know who the heck I am. They probably don't even know I own this app. And what are the odds that they came across that video and they wanted to work with me? If you have not seen that first video, I'm going to have it linked down below and up in the cards for you to check out after you are done watching this video. The best part is that Perfect365 has given you guys, my subscribers, my followers, an exclusive 3-month all access free subscription to the app. So if you watch this video and you like all of the features that the app offers, you're gonna get 3 months free to use it by clicking the link that is in the description. I know that this video is sponsored, but I have already done this video not sponsored, and I can tell you guys, I love this app. The app is free to download, but there is some in-app purchases. So by you guys using the link that's in the bio, everything is going to be free. You're going to get 3 months of free access. You're going to be able to save your pictures in HD. You're going to be able to use all of the templates, all of the tools that the app offers. I mean, everything is gonna be for free. So definitely take advantage of that. They just released 37 new makeup templates in 8 of their tools. I'm gonna go through them and show you guys the tools in just a second when I do the demo for you guys, when I do my makeup using the app. We have 11 new eyeliners, we have 8 new eyelashes, 4 new blushes, and 5 eyebrows, 5 new eyebrow templates for you guys to use. So I think that's pretty great. If you're into makeup, I think you're really gonna love this. For today, I'm just having fun with the app and I'm just going to create a full face of makeup. But these are tools that you can use to kind of just make your makeup game in pictures look a little bit better. Because sometimes makeup just doesn't come across as pretty as it does in person in photos. Sometimes you always need to go back in there and tweak certain things. I'm going to zip now, and the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take a selfie. So I'm gonna take a selfie, and then we're gonna go ahead and do our makeup using the app. Take a picture of myself. So, let's see. Okay, so now that I have selected the picture that I want to edit, I am going to go ahead and open up the app. Again, the app is called Perfect365. When you open it up, you get a little kind of introduction. You can click skip, and then when you open it, you kind of get an overview of what the app is. So you can do photo makeup, makeup mirror. They have a bunch of video tutorials, a bunch of pictures for you to get inspired. And then when you scroll through the top, you're going to find something that like a little banner, and the banner says unlock 37 pro makeup templates in 8 tools. So I'm gonna go to that because I want to use their new stuff. I'm gonna go to my favorites, and I'm going to pick a picture that I already know that I'm going to edit. So when you open it up, it takes you to your tools. Now, if you click on the top, it says looks. If you click on looks, you have a bunch of styled looks already. So this one has a really pretty red lid. This one is more natural. This one has the jewels, which is really pretty, very euphoria kind of vibe. This one's really pretty. And then this one also has jewels. This one is really pretty too. I might use this this one because I really like the eyeshadow. So you have a bunch of different ones that you can kind of do. Look at this pretty yellow one. And then when you go about the look, you can actually shot a lot of the makeup that's used to create that look in the app. Now, we're not gonna use the looks because I wanna start from scratch. I wanna start in the order that I do my makeup. So I'm gonna go back to the tools. I'm gonna go to the looks and I'm gonna put no look, and then I'm gonna go and click on tools. And then here you have all of your actual individual tools. So I'm going to go in the order that I do my makeup. So I usually start with my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go to eyes and I'm going to pick eyebrows. I think I'm gonna go to the mechanical pencil better, and I'm going to pick the template, and I'm going to try to pick a template that's kind of similar to my brow shape and see if that's too dark. So I'm gonna go down a little bit. So now I'm just kind of playing with it until I get the brow that I like. I think I like that. My brows look nice and fluffy. We're gonna go ahead and move on to eyeshadow because this is where I would normally do my eyeshadow, and it has just started pouring again. For the eyeshadow, you get the Ardell Sensual Eyes, or you get the Beauty Squad. I like the Beauty Squad just because they have so many different options, and you can see them all here. You have this really pretty colorful eyeliner. You have this kind of halo eye. So I'm gonna try to do kind of like that look where it's like the soft glam look. So I'm gonna see which one I'm going to pick. Like I said, they have so many different ones. Look at this pretty green one, and you could bring up the intensity of it if you want as well. So I think I'm gonna go, ooh, look at this one. Oh, that's pretty. Yeah, this one's really pretty too. This is more for like Halloween, but it just looks so realistic. It's crazy. And you can, like I said, you can make it really dark. I like this one. It's kind of smoky, very much me. So I like this one. I'm gonna bring it down a little bit so that it looks as real as possible. Oh, this one's pretty too. I don't know which one to do. There's so many good ones. Okay, I think I like this one. Okay, and then I'm gonna click where it says lower, and I'm going to do some lower eye work. Okay, I think I like that one. Now I'm gonna go to eyelashes. And so here it gives you the option to pick what shape of eye do you have. So you either have the downturn, deep set, monoloid, hooded, prominent, or the almond. I have the almond, so I'm gonna pick almond. And then it gives you some eyelashes that you can try. Now I love the Ardells. They have the Ardells here. They have the individuals. They also have the wispies. So I think I'm gonna do some wispies. You can also do mascara, I think. I don't know, what should I do? Okay, I think I like this one. The Fiber Builder Mascara. Yeah, I like this one. And if anything, I can come back and change that. So now that the eyelashes are done, I'm gonna go to eyeliner. And they have a bunch of different eyeliners that you can choose from. So here are some. This one's really pretty. They also have this one, which I think I'm gonna do this one. I really like this one. It's like that cat eye look. This one's like really pretty too. This is like a very intense black. Now this is too much for me. I think I like more of the cat eye ones. Like that first one. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna do this one. I really like this one. It kind of gives me like that cat eye vibe. So I'm gonna leave this one for now. Okay, so I'm going to just brighten my eyes up a little bit just to kind of bring some detail to them, and you can really see the difference that makes. Okay, so I think I'm done with that eye color. Eye concealer, we're gonna do the concealer, we're gonna do the concealer a little bit later. We can leave it like that. Okay, I think that works. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and move on to the face. All right, so I'm gonna go to foundation now, and they have a bunch of different colors of foundations for you to choose from. I personally like This one back here, I think it matches me perfect. But they have like really dark shades too that you can choose from. I just like this one. I think this one matches me the best. So I'm gonna go to that one and I'm gonna bring it down a little bit. Then I'm going to go to blemishes because I do have some blemishes on the skin. So I am going to remove some of those blemishes. Now I'm gonna go to highlight. So I am going to get a kind of like a yellowish color to really highlight the face. Okay, now I'm gonna do my cheek under the eyes, make it really bright. Now I'm gonna go ahead and click on the nose, and then I'm gonna go ahead and click on the chin and do my chin. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and contour, and I'm gonna contour the forehead, and I'm gonna get pretty dark shade, warm shade. Okay, I think that looks good. Yeah, I think I like that. And then I'm gonna do the cheeks, just contour them a little bit. The nose, we definitely want our nose nice and contoured. And the chin, we have to get rid of that double chin. So we're going to contour that as well. And wow, why am I so bright? I'm actually gonna go back to the highlight for under my eyes, and I'm gonna remove it a little bit because I think it's too bright. Okay, that's good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and go to blush, and I'm gonna get like a pinky blush. And you guys know I love blush, and I'm going to just add a little bit of blush. Okay, and then I think I'm going to brighten up my skin just a little bit. Now we're gonna go to the lips, and I'm gonna go to lipstick. And I'm gonna get the Beauty Squad again because I love those. They have more options when you do Beauty Squad. So I'm gonna get this pretty pink. That's too pink. Okay, more nude. Okay, like that. Lip liner. I'm gonna do a dark lip liner because you guys know me. I like my lips dark. Gloss it up. Oh, I'm obsessed. Okay, alrighty. So now I'm gonna go to lip plumper, and I'm just gonna plump it up a little bit. Why not? Look at the difference, you guys. Look at that. What? You can enhance your nose. I like to enhance my nose a little bit. Sometimes my nose tends to like blend in. So I'm going to enhance it just a little bit. I think we're done. I think I did everything that I wanted to do. So there you go. Here is our face done, completed. I am in shock of how good this looks. It's very much the type of glam that I've been doing recently. It's very soft, very light. I love it. If you click on it, you can see the before, and then you can see the after. It's incredible. Like the fact that we just did this using an app always blows my mind. Now, I don't really do this all the time, but sometimes I would go into the app and maybe make my eyeliner a little bit darker, or sometimes I want my blush just a little bit brighter, so I would go in and just brighten up my blush just a little bit. I do little tweaks here and there, but today we were just playing, we were just having fun, and we did a full face of makeup using the app. So now I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to save this, and that's it. That is how I created a full face of makeup using the Perfect365 app. I'm gonna show you guys how I would edit a picture with makeup. As you can see, when you first open it, you have all of these looks that you can add on to your makeup. There's literally a bunch for you to choose from. I love the Euphoria ones. Those are super duper cute. Like, look how cute that looks. That looks really, really cute. This one, I love this one with the rhinestones only on the top, very matte-esque. But I'm not gonna do a look. I'm just gonna go to the tools. So the only thing that I see in this picture that I might tweak a little bit would maybe be my under eyes. So I'm gonna go to eyes, and I'm gonna go to eye concealer. And I'm gonna bring this up just a little bit and see how it just kind of brightens up the concealer a little bit. So look at the before and the after. It's very little, but it just makes it a little bit more even. And then I'm gonna go also to the foundation, and I'm gonna make my foundation just look a little bit better. So I'm gonna click a color, and I'm going to bring it down and see, look at the difference. Look at the difference right there. Look how pink I was, and now look how warm it made my skin. So it just warms you up a little bit. And now, of course, if you take it all the way up, you're going to be very yellow, but just kind of play with it and see where you like it. So I kind of like it there. Now I am going to go to the eyes, and I'm going to brighten up my eyes just a little bit. That is pretty much it. I showed you guys how to go from zero to makeup and from just tweaking little things using the app when you already have makeup on. That is going to complete this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and loved it. Huge thank you to Perfect365 for partnering up with me to bring you guys this video. Don't forget to check the description box down below because I am going to have links to everything. I'm going to have links to the app, and I'm going to have that link that's going to give you guys 3 months of free all exclusive access to the app so that you guys can try their new templates. They have 37 new templates plus all of the other ones that they already had, which is a lot of them. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, if you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on those post notifications so that you can get notified every single time I upload. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on my next video. Mwah. Bye.